The Welsh political world came together in August when Hefin David, Senedd member for Caerphilly since 2016, suddenly passed away. Tributes have been paid across the political spectrum in Wales since his death, with Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer calling him a powerful voice for Wales, among a number of politicians and organisations praising him and his achievements. As so often happens, though, the realities of politics have to come into effect, and a by-election that no one would have wanted or expected has to happen within 3 months of the Senedd seat being vacated. Here is the date of Hefin David's death. The Welsh Parliament has announced that the by-election will take place on October 23rd and will likely be the last of its kind ever in Wales, given the changing Senedd voting system, which will replace by-elections with a party list system. It's also the last chance for parties to get a feel for the political landscape and make an impact before the proper campaigning starts for the election next year. It will be a chance for us all to see exactly where people's heads could be. According to the opinion polls, is Plaid Cymru and Reform UK with the best chances of being the biggest party in the Senedd next year, and it will be telling to see how Labour, Hefin David's party, do. They had a majority of 5,000 last election, but that could easily be at risk. It's not a by-election that people would have asked for. It's coming with a backdrop of sad news for politics in Wales and for constituents who've been served by Hefin David for almost a decade. It could be emotional at times, but it will definitely be telling. James Beach Watkins, reporting for Local TV.